Hey, what's up? This is Sharan. I'm from GetIt. Most of the people ask me where is our GetIt physical store? I just want to let you all know that GetIt is 100% online. We don't have any physical store you can visit, but we are constantly updating our website with brand new photo frames and designs and other products. So I put the link at the top of the description below, and you can always check out our latest inventory there. Before I go, I just want to say that I am still learning and don't speak a lot of English. So if I made any mistakes, please forgive me. I try my absolute best to practice and speak more fluently. Please leave a comment below and how is my English doing. Let me know how is my English is doing, how my English is doing. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.